Hello everyone, welcome back to Breaks Everywhere. This is the re-roll of the giveaway. So the winner of the last giveaway never contacted me. It's been almost a month now, so I don't think that they're gonna contact me. So here we go, part 2. This time I got all the names this time. Double check the list. But here we go. Let's see if we have a new winner. Ready? Let's see. And I am Hong Kong. Congratulations. You'll contact me soon, hopefully. Don't take a month or else I'll re-roll it again. But thank you all for participating, and another one will be happening at 200 subscribers. See y'all then.